Hello, I'm Nicholas Crady. I'm a Lambda engineer, and in this guide we're going to go over how to create a live USB from our recovery image. When creating a bootable USB, you'll need a USB that can handle high read and write speeds. Once you have a suitable USB, please navigate to our docs page to find our recovery image for Ubuntu. Once you've downloaded the recovery image, we'll need to install the software that you'll need to burn the USB with the recovery image. There are multiple softwares out there that can do the job, but for this we're going to use Balena Etcher. Balena Etcher works on both Windows and Linux, so you should be able to use it on multiple platforms. Once Balena Etcher is downloaded, please launch the program. You'll be prompted to select a boot image from a file. Please select the recently downloaded recovery image. Once you've selected the recovery image, you'll be prompted to select the USB. Please select your desired USB. At this point, you'll be able to start the burning process, formatting and downloading the image onto the USB. This process may take some time, and when it's done, the system will need to validate that the installation was complete. Once the validation is complete, you have a bootable USB that we can boot into the live USB environment. To boot into the live USB environment, first, install the USB into your vector. Once installed, boot into your system's BIOS so that you can select the USB as the boot device. Once you've selected the USB as your boot device, you'll be prompted with two options. Try Lambda Labs recovery without installing, or install Lambda Labs recovery. Please select Try Lambda Labs recovery without installing. This will boot us into the live USB environment, allowing us access to the system outside of the boot drive. From here, we can perform needed troubleshooting steps and even access the boot drive if there are software corruptions or file system issues. For additional troubleshooting steps, or if you're having issues or difficulties creating or booting into the live USB environment, please reach out to us at support. We're happy to help.